Balance Body Allegro 2 Reformer. If you are seeking a machine that provides smooth transitions and a streamlined process for an effective reformer Pilates workout, then look no further. The Allegro 2 Reformer is fully equipped with the user in mind. This machine has many adjustable features that make it appeal to more than just the average user. The Allegro Pilates Reformer is comfortable and well built for long-term home and studio use. The body on the machine is made with a powder-coated anodized aluminum frame. With the Allegro Pilates Reformer, you get an adjustable, easy set-foot bar that allows for soft transitions. It also comes with a soft touch rope system with attachment loops that enables the user to make instant rope adjustments with a quick release lever. Users also enjoy 5 Balance Body signature springs for improved handling. Added to those are an 8-wheel carriage system, shoulder rest, built-in standing platforms, and an ergonomic riser. While many machines come with the DVDs in the package, the Allegro 2 Reformer comes with the ability to stream workout videos. This is a modern touch which this machine offers, and it appeals to many beginner users. Here are some pros. Easy to adjust foot bar, easy to adjust rope system, sturdy yet comfortable platform. Here are some cons. Not suitable for people standing over 5'9".